Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Super Swing Trader. Today we're going to analyze the overall US market, the S&P 500 SPY ETF. It represents the top US companies, the top 500 companies. As always, we're going to have a big picture overview. We have a very strong level of demand right here, but prices continuing to rally for 5 months now, and it's not stopping. We'll see what happens in April, but right now we are aggressively long bias on the overall market. The weekly chart, we have a weak level of demand right here. Price dropped and then rallied. This is very weak, but it worked. So the SPY, the daily price kissed the level, and then now it's rallying, and then now it's forming a new one right here. So it's keep on forming new demand zones on the way up, so we are very bullish, but right now price is just too high to buy right now. You could use this market index as a way to judge other stocks within the S&P 500. But right now, for this particular ETF, it is not a good idea to go long. Right now, we have a lot of bullish signals that we can use to go long on other stocks and not the ETF. Dow Jones, exactly the same thing, same levels. Price is going up. NASDAQ price there's a strong level. There's a level of supply right here, and if it reaches up here, it could do a double top where it crashes back down. So that's what we're looking for, but I doubt it that it's not going to crash. It's probably going to make higher highs until finally it will crash, but we don't know when that's going to be. This is it for the analysis. If you got value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and click on that bell so you get notified on new videos I release in the future. I want you to transform your charts into profits and build a life you love. I'll see you on the next one.